So these are the three key areas that are present in a simple form of writing: structure, style, and content. There are other things as well, like storytelling. Storytelling is all about narrating a story. It's about weaving a narrative that is acceptable for your audience, a narrative that can prove your point of view or portray your point of view in a much better way. Plus, there are other things that encircle good storytelling. Stories can be a personal narrative, they can be a group's narrative, or they can be a country's narrative. They can be any narrative, but they need to fulfill all the requirements that a good story has. A story, in its simplest form, is a simple parable. So, it's a parable as well. A simple story is a parable. Stories hold a paramount place in when we talk about narrative building. Narratives are formed by the help of stories. A simple narrative is formed by a group of stories or interconnected stories. But unfortunately, in Pakistan, we do not consider narrative building a skill and an art. It's an art form, it's a science basically. We don't consider it as a science, and we consider it simply as a narrative that some people can make or create to prove their point of view. So, point of view is important. Then there is content writing. Content writing is basically a combination of SEO optimized content, content that you write for the internet. It can be blog posts, it can be social media images, the text on the social media images, it can be a LinkedIn post, it can be a Facebook post, the text for your Facebook post, not the image part. I'm not talking about the image part. All of that is all of that is content writing. There is SEO optimized content writing, AIO, artificial intelligence optimization, or the first thing is that you have to, if you're creating a website, then you have to optimize your website for Google so that more and more people land on your website. Similarly, nowadays, you have to optimize it for AI as well. For example, if someone searches for Ramesh Kaisar on ChatGPT or Quen, then your results should pop up. That is the ideal scenario. Some people can't find themselves on Quen or ChatGPT, but while others can. And the people who can find themselves on the internet or ChatGPT or Quen are the people who have done their AIO correctly or artificial intelligence optimization. AEO and AIO. These are the two terminologies that are commonly used. And then there is copywriting. Copywriting is all about persuasion. Copywriting is all about persuasion. It's writing persuasive text to extract a call to action, which is the end result. If you want your customers to do something or take an action, then you need to have a call to action. The first step is to use the AIDA principle: attention, interest, desire, action. And previously, some people used to use that framework, but now there are new techniques that people use. This is an old framework, AIDA principle, but to a certain extent, it does work. this reversal, and then there is a call to action. You can also give your money back guarantee and stuff like that. In the middle, so we are talking about ADA. These were the basic concepts of storytelling. We have covered storytelling, content writing, AIO, SEO, and a little bit about copywriting. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.